Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another exciting video. A few months back, I told you guys that I had joined a L'Oreal PR program. It's called L'Orealista. And I leveled up to the first level, which was Rising Star. And then very quickly after that, I leveled up to Shooting Star. So that is what today is all about. I am showing you my Shooting Star PR box from L'Oreal. So this is what I've got. It's a box full of goodies. So cool. So I'm going to show you what I got. So I leveled up back in January, I think, but it takes them a long time to send out these boxes. I've leveled up again to Supernova also in like March or something, I think. So expect a Supernova box soon as well. But this is my Shooting Star box. So you get this L'Orealista card. Congrats on reaching Shooting Star status. You're a true star in the making. As a reward for reaching this incredible status, please find inside an incredible product bundle worth up to £100. Blah blah blah, complete your missions, etc. So like I said before, if you watched my previous video, I will link it down below. I'm part of the L'Oreal program. It's like an influencer content creator program. You complete missions. You have to have like a certain number of subscribers on like Instagram and TikTok. You complete missions using hashtags, using the L'Oreal products. But it's not just L'Oreal. It's Garnier, L'Oreal, Maybelline, Lancome, Kiehl's, La Roche-Posay, CeraVe. Lots of different brands. I can't think of them off the top of my head. But it's part of a group of brands all under the L'Oreal umbrella. And you can also apply for products throughout the program, which get sent to you, which I post about all that on my Instagram and my TikTok. But on my YouTube, I'm just going to show you the leveling up rewards that I've got, so the bundles. So this box is worth over £100. So I'm just going to go in with any order, really, just random. So I'm going to start with this. This is the Garnier Micellar Water all-in-one cleansing, micellar cleansing water. I've used this so many times in the past. I love a good micellar water, and the Garnier one is good for sensitive skin, which I have. It's also vegan and cruelty free, which is amazing. I love that about this brand. Garnier is an amazing brand. It's also a really big size bottle as well. It's not a travel size, it's the normal bottle. So that's the first thing. Then I got this CeraVe foaming cleanser. Now I already have this product. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite cleansers. It's a really foamy, like soapy type cleanser. It really foams up when you're cleaning your face. I actually like that type of a cleanser over a gel. I prefer this type to a gel cleanser. And I love CeraVe as a brand anyway. It's an amazing brand. So yeah, got this one. Then I got this La Roche-Posay Toleriane. Don't know how you say it. Dermo Cleanser. So this is the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Dermo Cleanser for cleansing and makeup removal for your face and eyes. And it's for all types of skin. Fragrance free as well. So another cleanser. Never used this before. This looks like a milky cleanser, which I also like. It's the gel cleansers that I'm not a huge fan of. I do use them, but I do prefer like a foamy milky cleanser, so I'm looking forward to that. Then I got this L'Oreal Revitalift Filler Hyaluronic Anti-Wrinkle Serum. Now I actually got this in my Rising Star box as well, but I got the mini travel size version. This is the full size version. This is just a clear serum, which is anti-wrinkle. So you can pop it on before bed, you can pop it on in the morning, and it has hyaluronic acid and peptides. Now I also got this in my Rising Star bundle. They actually changed the bundles in between me leveling up. So this was originally in the Rising Star box, but then they moved it to the Shooting Star box. So I've had it twice now, and they've moved a different La Roche-Posay sun cream to the Rising Star box, but it doesn't matter because this is a really good product. So this is the La Roche-Posay Anthelios Ultimate Protection Ultra Long UV Invisible Fluid. So it's basically a sun cream, and it's factor 50 plus. It's also really small. I think this is like perfect for putting in your handbag if you need to top up your sun cream, but obviously I would use this as a face sun cream, and it's a really good sun cream. I really do like it. It's a nice small size, so it's not too heavy in your suitcase if you're packing it traveling as well. So yeah, I really like this one. Then I got this Kiehl's. Now Kiehl's is a brand. Let me zoom this in so you can see it. So this is what it looks like. And this is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Oil Free Gel Cream. This is 24-hour hydration and shine control. Now I have a few products from Kiehl's. I have the facial creams. I have the red one and the white one. Love them, amazing. There's like, one is a really intense hydration repair cream, the red one, and the white one is just a normal facial cream. Love it. Now I don't know if this one's going to be for me, only because it's for normal to oily skin. I have extreme dry skin. Now I will obviously try this, but I may prefer the other Kiehl's products that I have because they are more for dry skin, and this is more of a gel formula for oily skin. But I am very grateful for this. Kiehl's is a very pricey brand and I do love their products. I love their cleanser and I love those two creams that I have. So hopefully I do like this, and maybe I can mix it with another hydrating cream and it will be a perfect combo. And then the final thing in the box is this. This is the Lancome Hypnose Mascara Volume. So it's a custom wear volume mascara in the shade 01 Noir, which is black. So this is the mascara. It's a really cool packaging. I love this like unique packaging. And I also really love the wand. Look at the wand on that. That looks a bit of me. I'm very fussy with the mascara, but that wand is a shape that I would definitely like. And I just love the packaging. It's also really lightweight, so I think that would be good for traveling. So yeah, that was everything that was in my Shooting Star L'Oreal Star box. I am eternally grateful. I am so grateful to be part of this brand, this company. I get so many products sent from them. Obviously you do have to, well, you don't have to, there's no obligation to post, but if you don't post about the products that they send you on Instagram and TikTok using the hashtags, then you won't get sent more products in the future. That's kind of how it works. So there's no obligation to post, but if you don't post, you won't get anything else, if that makes sense. So obviously post. So I post about the L'Oreal Star products a lot on my Instagram and TikTok. I will link those down below if you're interested in watching them. But yeah, I'm extremely grateful to L'Oreal. Thank you so much for sending me these products, and obviously La Roche-Posay, Garnier, CeraVe, Lancome and Kiehl's for sending me all these products as well. I'm really, really grateful. So thank you so much. So if you are interested in joining the L'Oreal Star program, I will link down below my referral link. If you do use my link, please use my link because I do get points on the program to sign up. But you need a minimum, I think it's changed now. It was 2,000 followers, but I think it's 1,000 now on Instagram and TikTok. Either one, you don't have to have both. You can just have one. If you have both, even better. But if you do want to apply, please use my link down below. So yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. Leave a comment down below if you're part of the L'Oreal Star program and what do you think about it. Do you love it as well? And also leave a comment if you want to sign up using my link, and I will message you about the program. So let me know in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!